Let's take a look at this 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX. You got the windlass up front, you got the black on the side. We do have the nice power tower with the articulating top and the extended shade that goes out as well. That's an awesome tower for this boat. We've got underwater lights, trim tabs, got the nice sea decking up here, the nice walkway. Just a great boat. 2024 260 SLX from Sea Ray. Let's go to the interior. All right, welcome aboard this 2024 260 SLX from Sea Ray. Here in the back, we got a nice sun platform here. This opens up, a little bit of storage. Actually, nice deep storage. You got your battery switches right there. Plenty of space for lots of stuff. As we come into the walkway, there's a little step down. We've got the snap in, snap out carpeting. We got the nice wraparound seating. Plenty of seats all over. Got your captain's and co-captain's chair. We've got the head, which is a pump out head, but plenty of room in there. Good for storage as well. Storage underneath there. We got storage in the floor. You can see the Sea Ray emblem in the floor. Nice lighting throughout the boat. You got lighting in the cup holders. Up here at the helm, we got a digital throttle, and then we have the dual Simrad screens. Obviously touch screen. You can control your lighting, control everything from the boat. You got communication with the engine as well. And then, with fusion stereo system. So there are speakers that are kind of hidden, but there's speaker behind there, speaker in here underneath there. We've got the tower. That is the button to put the tower up and down. And like I said, it does articulate down so it can cover the entire cockpit and you can still drive the boat. As we come up to the bow, got nice seating here in this 260. Really deep storage in here. I'll lift this up. Lift this whole thing up. You've got nice deep storage right down into there. We've got the windlass, like I mentioned before. You can still get to that up here. Lighting throughout. Armrests that pop down. Gorgeous boat. 260 from Sea Ray here at Rogers. Just stop on by or give us a call to set up an appointment.